Okay, so today we are going to learn how to create a cube from a sphere in Blender. Now, if you already opened Blender, you'd have something like this, the default scene. But if by mistake you have deleted the default cube, now you need a default cube to start a new project. So maybe you can undo that, but I'm going to show you another way to create the default cube from a sphere. So what we are going to do is we are going to open new file. So for that you press Control and then you have these options. If you open general, of course you're going to get a cube, but you want it from sphere. So we're going to go to sculpting. You don't need to save that. Now you have a perfect sphere. If you go into edit mode, yeah, it's a perfect sphere. It doesn't matter which mode you are. It's a perfect sphere. Now you want to create a cube from this. So first step is to add a modifier to this. That is a multi-resolution modifier. Now you shouldn't subdivide on this. What you should be doing, which the option that you should be selecting from all these options on the screen is rebuild subdivisions. Once you do that, you'll get something saying that there are 6 new subdivision levels on this now. Now, if you start decreasing the subdivision levels, actually you can go to object mode to look at the preview. If you keep decreasing them, you'll realize that it is slowly turning into a cube, and at 0 subdivision level, it is a cube. Now, if you close this, you got yourself a perfect cube, and you can start your scene from here. Thank you for watching.